board today. Got my man Ryan here. Got other Ryan. This is boat captain of the year, Ryan, right here. Anyways, we're gonna hop on the bay today and take a boat out. We're about to pass a pirate ship. Look at this thing. Look at this big ass boat with planes on it. We'll see that from the water too.
I ate here once before.
Next step, boat. It's your boy Struble here. Day off of the year. Got the Ryans over here. It's like the shiniest hotel ever. See how shiny this hotel is? Alright, we've signed all the paperwork that allows us to get on a boat. I don't know what I signed, I just signed it. Alright, we made it on the boat. We're heading out. Road. We got the horn blower behind us. Alright, we're back at the SS Midway. This time we're in the water for it. Here it is. Look at that front view of it. See how big this boat is that we're under? That's the anchor right there on the end? That's one of them. There's the pirate ship that we saw on the drive over here. Now we're over here looking at it. Kite surfer guys going at it. There's nobody driving the boat right now. Who's driving the boat? Nobody's driving the boat right now. Yeah, got the extreme sailboat Land Rover team coming by us right now. I like the red and black get up, so I'm rooting for them. Those dudes are so extreme. Oh, the kite surfers are back. They're over here now. Say what up, Ryan Hughes. Say what up, other Ryan. What up? I'm hanging out with the Ryans today. They're getting a little cocky. They think all Ryans are better.
About to take over this world.
It's a no wake zone, douchebags. That guy doesn't know what that means.
He should.
So we just rolled up on some billionaire dude's boat. Look at this thing.
Yeah.
This thing's got a helicopter on the back of it. How long is it? 332 feet. 150 million boat. That boat is a football field right there with a helicopter on the back. I'm gonna get me one of those someday.
That's where we're headed. We're going out on that.
Oh yeah. We just found out by our boat captain of the year today that we're actually gonna be going out on that boat in a minute. I'm gonna get to drive the helicopter.
We're going to scope it out for Crucial Blitz next act.
Yeah. If you believe that, I got a thing. What does he do on there? Just like put his feet up and read the paper?
Pretty much. It's got a crew at 21.
The helicopter is wrapped in Christmas paper. Like he doesn't even know it's under there. Yeah, it's a fucking
Christmas gets his gift.
I'm gonna sit up at the front for a minute like this. This might be nice.
New world, I'm just living in it.
Yeah, he just asked me if I'm like good to go off the point. Like I'm gonna have any objection while I'm on this boat today. seals. Here we go. We got the seals over here. Yo, this is just where they hang out.
It's like the Seal Social Club, dude.
Who goes in that building? Like, is there a guy that goes...
Seal Whisperer.
Yeah, like, is there a Seal Whisperer? Is that where Seal lives?
That's actually where Seal
That's where Seal lives. We figured it out. Oh. Alright, well, I think we're done hanging out with the seals. We're going to let them get back to what they do. I'm going to wrestle a shark today. We're going to go find a shark for me to wrestle.
You do that, and then you'll be roadie of the year.
Yeah. Hey.
But until you...
Hey. Alright, anyways, we're going to go out in the ocean. We're starting to get out there now. Like, oh boy. Oh boy. We're a little choppy out here. We're gonna go check out a surf spot that might be popping. Which might be popping.
I brought my flippy floppies.
Ryan Hughes has swim trunks and flippy floppies.
I'm on a boat, you gotta take those straight flipping copies.
Alright, so we're going to a surf spot that you can only get to by boat. And there's a lot of boats there, which means there's going to be a lot of people surfing there. And we're going to go check it out. What's the name of the spot?
Ralph's.
This is Ralph's. We're getting in even closer. Ryan's going for it, man. He's captain of the year right now, and he's getting us in there. We're getting an up-close look at this. I didn't even know this existed until he asked if we wanted to go there. We're getting rocky in here. I think you're gonna need a bigger boat. I feel like I'm in the rodeo, man. Now we're like behind that surf spot where we were just watching before. It's right there. Oh, that guy's on it. That guy got the long run. You see him? Still going. Still going. Damn, he's still going. He's still going. Oh, I don't know if you saw that, but that was a good one. I saw it, so I'll just tell you about it. It was awesome. This guy getting one at the end. Oh, he fell. Anyways, that's it for Ralph's.
Man down. When you're on land, it comes back to home.
Oh! I got my camera out of my case right now. Trying to get it dry, and he's trying to get it even wetter. That's what she said.
You blamed the Navy SEALs for that?
Yeah, that was the Navy SEALs. Is this a no wake zone?
No.
Oh, well, we are in a wake zone, so. So it's some hybrid heliplaner copter. It's a heliplaner copter.
How many knots is that?
Huh? Knots.
That's a not mentioned anything.
No, you just think J-Rock was a goat, dude. That's impressive. So we're like under the bridge now. Under the bridge, I'm here. Yo, they're painting the bridge right now. I I imagine once you get it done, you just go back to the beginning and start over.
200 feet.
200 feet up? Yo, this bridge is 200 feet up. Let's look at it. Oh, this is ridiculous. I feel this big right now. It's a weird feeling. Blowing in the wind. Look at those locks frolicking. It's got weird. How?
Historical, like Marilyn Monroe filmed there.
Oh, Marilyn Monroe. I've heard of her. It's a reason to go somewhere.
Dock up and walk up there.
Alright, we're gonna go dock up and check out something cool on the land. We're gonna go be land people again. Yo, we're land people again. Ryan Hughes, say what up.
I'm a land person. What's up, Nico?
We're back on land. It's just kind of weird, man. It's like, it doesn't even feel like real life over here.
Wait to cross Pomona at Orange. Wait.
You must wait. All right, yeah, I think we're jaywalking. I think we're good. Are we going?
Crosswalk.
Tour guide of the year, getting us through traffic. He drives the boat. Oh, we're jaywalking again. Do not enter.
I don't give a fuck, dude. See, I don't pay attention to that shit.
Oh, I think this truck's trying to follow us.
Do not enter. Where are you going?
Yeah, look at this. We're jaywalking. He's jay driving. We found the dragon tree over here. Let's go. There's a sign.
See, you're using the backdrop of something like a 1958. Ah, there you go.
There you go. So I guess that's something.
That's fun.
So Marilyn Monroe stood in front of this tree. So cool. I feel like I'm on vacation. This just happened on a random day off. I'm about to jump in this pool though. No, not really. I might. Oh, all the way in the background. That little point of land is Ralph's, where we were just watching the surfers. And now we're in here. We're the Sun Deck Bar. Get a drink. Got that. We're in some weird place now. I don't know where we are. It's a hallway. It's really dude, it's only $595. Only. It's on sale. Chandelier, man. See that thing? Alright, and I believe we're just about to pop out on the other side. Is this the way back to the boat?
Yeah.
Alright, this is the way back to the boat. Let's get it. Just trying to get back to our boat. At the boat parking lot.
Yeah, we did it.
Alright, now we're back here. Struble, Ryan, other Ryan, jaywalkers of the year. We gotta get back on a boat. And then probably just drive back home.